Yeah, I want to welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. This is a global solution for all mankind. And I'm happy to come this morning to share with you this spiritual information that will be able to favor majority of you guys. Now, those of you that are going through this grace, you are going through this grace through hate, rejection, and dishonor, spiritual sicknesses from different sources, either from environment where you live, or maybe from evil people that have set up your name, or you are suffering a diabolic arrows or evil arrows that people are sending on you. I want to send an invitation of advice to you that there is hope. There's nothing within this life that you find a solution. Thing that you need, God has put a solution somewhere. You just need to determine, you need to commit yourself, you need to discipline yourself, and you need to get ready to pay the sacrifice. Whatever you cannot sacrifice for, it will not favor you. If you want a change, you have to determine. There are many wicked people all over, and at the same time there are good people all over. So it takes the heart of God, the eyes of the Spirit for you to discern. And that's why I want to tell you, if you have this type of a problem and you are going through a very hard time, you don't know what to do, the situation is very stubborn, you are trying spiritual products and they are not working for you, you are trying prayers, and prayers, as you are praying, it seems like the stagnation is there, the limitations are there, restrictions are there, you don't know what to do. Well, I want to give you an advice that can liberate your life. Try to look for spiritual work. Spiritual work to be done on your case. If you have this problem and you are trying many things and they are not working, try spiritual work. Try always to do spiritual work. One of the spiritual work is cleansing. Try your own cleansing always. Do your spiritual bath always. Do spiritual cleansing with the products of the land. Use a coconut and cleanse yourself. Use an egg, which is a native egg, and cleanse yourself while you are doing your prayers, while you are doing your fasting, while you are following God as you follow God every day. Do these practical things. You can also use the seeds of alligator pepper to do cleansing on yourself while you do prayers. Who knows, maybe your case demands for different levels of cleansing, because we have different levels of cleansing that will open up your door. Some of the things that are happening in your life, they cannot be taken away with the spiritual bath, with the leaves of bitter leaf. Maybe you need to engage into a different levels of cleansing. Okay? Some of them, they need a mixture. You can take greasy leaf and boil them and get the juice from greasy and mix with the bitter leaf and bath together. Okay? Make your life sweeter. You can mix honey. Okay? You can mix honey to turn your life for positive. If you are living if you are living a bitter life, whatever you do is bringing bitter. Try to involve on your spiritual bath. Try to involve honey. Honey is very good in that area. If you cannot find honey, which is original honey, try to mix sugar in the stead of honey. Use sugar. Bath the water. If you are facing various challenges of arrows and witchcraft and charms and all these, you can do a spiritual heavy work like a pot breaking service, like a restoration service, a command services, things like that. It's going to favor you, it's going to help you. I want to thank you, because if you take these steps, I believe that your life will find a turnaround. God will not just leave you to die in that problem. I want to tell you that there is a hope and there is a life. And anytime from now, the Lord will enter into your case. If you have a stubborn case, just write to us, Global Solution for All Mankind, and get us on the contact number on WhatsApp. +25470, I beg, +254 790 970 454. It will favor you, it will help you, it will be a blessing in your life. We will get in touch. Somebody will answer you, somebody will give you definition and direction, whatever you will be asking. You don't have to die in the house, don't kill yourself, do not run away from your marriage or from your ministry or whatever. Just get us, who will give direction and help to see, because God is really and is helping people, is giving us a solution and answers, wisdom on how to help people. And a lot of people are getting help on this channel. You are welcome. Share my videos and it shall be a blessing to anyone that you share to. I'll meet you again on the next video. Thank you so much and bye-bye.